Hi, Eric Gibaud, ericgibaud.com, and today I'm going to speak about how fanatics and haters actually kill the world of photography. Let's start. So this video is not much against fanboys, but about fanatics. It's not the same thing. You can be a fanboy of your favorite camera brand or favorite lens brand or tripod or whatever. The problem is fanatics and haters, which is not the same, because what I'm going to speak about is there are many words like this, stupid words, not just in photography. Obviously my channel is about photography, so I speak about photography, but the typical Nikon against Canon, or if you speak about sports, maybe Barca, Real Madrid, or whatever football team, or baseball, or whatever, or Mac against Windows, all this. These are stupid words, okay? But there are many things, and you see people that just waste time arguing about things that are not even theirs. It's not even their property, so it doesn't really matter, okay? So, but I understand some people are fan of a brand, but I don't understand fanatics that just hate other people for what they use or what they don't use, okay? But now I'm going to do a small parenthesis specific to haters, because normally they don't stay too long watching my video, so I'll put the message at the beginning. Well, I receive insults from haters, people who really come just to insult and criticize in an insulting way. It's not constructive way, so I prefer the part after while I speak about constructive thing. But now let's speak about haters. For me, a hater is someone who has no brain at all. Is simply a real idiot. Why? If a hater comes to insult me on my channel, is watching the video and start to insult, I think, hey, come on, you spend time on my channel, it means you're making me money, and if I hate someone, I don't want me to help him earn money. So you're an idiot. You spend time on my channel and you make me money, someone you hate. So this is really stupid. And if even it was not down to money, it's about time. You're spending time and energy to insult me, and this time is yours, not mine. If you spend 15 minutes listen to what I say, or going to many of my videos to write some insults, sometimes it happens. I normally erase this comment, but sometimes people make my record is 150 different message of insult from one user. I think this guy is crazy. He's spending time on me, someone he hates. That's stupid. So maybe you should spend this time on yourself. Spend this time bettering your life, because your life must be really empty to be able to spend time on me that you hate. Why did you spend time and energy on yourself? This way maybe you would be more positive, your life would be better, and maybe you would stop being a hater. If you don't like me, it's your right. Why do you waste your time and make me money if you hate me? That's really stupid. Okay? So now let's speak about fanatics. I understand people are fan of the gear they use. That's logical. You like what you use. Well, hopefully you're a fan of what you use, because it would be sad that you buy something and you're not happy. So it's great if you use something and you're happy with it. But one thing is, when I see some people, they just wish competition will be erased. They say, I hope Canon will die, I hope Nikon will die, I hope Olympus will go bankrupt, I hope this brand or that brand will disappear. This is stupid. Because if every brand that competes with your favorite brand disappear, then your favorite brand doesn't have to better any longer. Because it doesn't matter what they do. If you want to buy a camera, you buy this brand, this is the only one that survived. So this is stupid to wish that other will disappear. Every brand has brought something to photography, and thanks to everything they've brought to photography, your camera is better today. Olympus invented the TTL measurement for flash. Leica invented the autofocus, although they didn't use it then, and they sold the patent. And I think Pentax was the first to use a prism. I'm not sure, can't remember, but I think they invented something like this, and so on. When Canon puts the dual pixel in their autofocus, competition has to better. When whatever brand invented the face and eye detection, the other had to put it also. And if a brand puts more megapixel, maybe yours will do it too, or better ISO, yours will do it too, and so on. So thanks to this technical war and advance and all this makes your camera better every day, because your favorite brand has to better every time the competition is getting something new. They have to better it. So thank you Canon, thank you Nikon, thank you Sony, thank you Pentax, thank you Leica, thank you Olympus, thank you all of you for bettering your gear. It makes my favorite gear go better too. So this is stupid to wish to have your the competition disappear. You're not a shareholder of your favorite brand, probably not. So it doesn't make you more money. So you will be the first victim. If the rest disappear, your gear will be less good anyway, okay? Your gear will be worse in the future if every competition disappear. And also I hear some people saying this camera or this brand is the best. Wait, okay. That's the best for you because you have some things you want your camera to do. You have some kind of picture you want to do or video you want to do, and you look for the camera or the lens or whatever that gives you the best result for what you want to do. That makes it the best camera for you, but doesn't make the best camera for everyone. Really, if the best gear existed, do you think that professionals who make money and eat on a daily basis out of the gear would not buy the best camera? Obviously they would. They would find the way to get that gear, because otherwise they would not get any business. I guarantee if there was the best gear, every professional would have it. And clients wouldn't know that if you don't have this, you're no good. So they would say, what gear do you have? What brand? What model? Or this? You don't have this. I don't want to contract you because you're no good. You don't have it. And this is where you realize people are stupid. There are no best gear. There are best gear for yourself, and that's it. I always say, any camera can help you make a good picture. It doesn't mean you can make any picture with any cameras. If I want to make a picture with a compact camera with a zoom lens that goes only up to 100mm, I want to make a small bird that is 500 meters away. Obviously, I cannot make that picture. This is not the right gear. Doesn't make it a bad camera. No, that makes it a bad camera for what I want to do, but not a bad camera. If I've got a camera that allows me to do that, is it the best camera for this job? Probably yes. Okay, so let's be logical. It's the best gear for yourself, not the best gear, period. That's it. People who say that, and actually disdain people who don't have the same gear as they have or don't have this superior gear, they feel it's superior, they just prove one thing. It means without this great gear they have, they would not make good pictures. It means you're telling me basically that you are a good photographer if you have this gear, not because you're a good photographer. Obviously, a gear may help you focus faster, work safer, easier, all this. But if you think that without this you could not make a picture, it means you're not a good photographer. And you're not inventive. You don't find a solution with what you have. Okay, so this is a stupid attitude that really gives problem in the photography world, that makes people abandon photography sometimes. They feel, or they don't want to publish because they feel ridiculous because others insult them this way. Okay, so please, quiet, respect. Okay, although not having full frame, at that time I say, come on, stop that attitude. But I've got nothing about any gear. I think every gear has something good and something bad, and that's it. So let's go back to these haters. How do you become a hater? Well, people go from love to hate really fast. So I don't like haters. I think sometimes you read what they write and you would be scared to cross them on the street. You think maybe they would stab me or something like this. But really, how do they start? Well, I'm also worried about people who are too loving, you know. They're just like fanatics. Oh, you're great, I love your picture, you're great, I love what you do, what you say, you're fantastic, all this. And one day you say something that's small, they don't like or they don't agree, and then they turn around and then they insult you. You're a shit photographer, your photography are bad, you're an old fool. By the way, I'm 54 years old, even I've got a white beard. 54 is not that old anyway, but it doesn't matter, okay? So they actually insulted you just all of a sudden because you said something they don't like. And then my question is, how come a month ago my picture were great and now they're shit? How come a month ago I was a great person, now I'm horrible? So my question is, are you sure you're not judging yourself? Because you lack all credibility. If you thought a month ago my picture was shit, but you were still like, oh Eric, you're great, then you're really fake. You're a fake person. And if you thought the picture were good and now you think they're bad, then what criteria do you have to decide what is good, what is bad? A month ago you decided they were good and now you decide they're bad. Then I think, well, are you sure what you speak about? I think you may don't like me anymore, but if my picture were good a month ago for you, they're still good for you now. Just lying, then you're a liar. So this is stupid. You're just speaking about yourself, not about me. So please, if you one day you stop liking me, it's your right. You don't have to start to insult because you disagree, because you just lose all credibility and you just stay away that you look stupid. You look stupid, honestly. So you don't have to love me so much, and you don't you don't need to start hating me. You just leave the channel and that's it. That's simple. Sometimes people say, but you hate full frame. And it's not true, I don't hate full frame. Actually, I've used it. I've got nothing against full frame format. What I really don't like is people who really disdain others for not having the gear they think is better or is best, okay? Because this is stupid. So it's by phases, it's like waves, you know. Sometimes it's Nikon against the rest, sometimes it's Sony against the rest, sometimes it's Canon against the rest, sometimes it's full frame against the rest. And just like now it's a bit more quiet, but during some time it was really people having full frame looking over the. So please comment below, tell me your opinion about this, because this is a serious problem. Some people are just going nuts because they're anonymous behind their keyboard, and honestly they just speak about themselves and they're creating a bad atmosphere in this photography world, okay, and other worlds too, but I speak about my world or our world in this channel. It's about photography. So they're just killing photography. They're just making things really horrible, and some people just rush away. If you don't like something, just go away. That's it. You don't need to insult. You don't need to disdain. You don't like it, just pass on, and that's it. Okay? So thank you for watching the video. If you feel it may interest other people, please share it on social networks. If you have not done it yet, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. The small button down here, so a small bell. If you click on the bell, get notified when I upload a new video. My website, ericgibaud.com. If you have any question, can leave a comment below, and please comment about your opinion. I also leave you links to other parts of my YouTube channel, links to my gear on Amazon, and also all the gear I've checked, reviewed from K&F Concept. I'll leave links to K&F Concept below also. And also, I'll leave you a link to my PayPal account in case you wanted to make a donation. Thank you very much for your time. Please take care of yourself. And as we say, peace. Okay? Bye.